Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can add timestamp to our video in CapCut application. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you need to download timestamp video from the internet. Here I have downloaded timestamp video like this, and I have created a project in my CapCut application. I'm just going to open my project and I'm going to add the timestamp video to this video. We can click on overlay and then tap on add overlay, and you have to import the timestamp video you have downloaded from the internet, this one. And then we can click on add, and I'm going to remove the screen. I'm gonna click on the remove background option, this one guys. Click on remove background, and I'm going to use chroma key to remove the green screen. Click on chroma key and I'm going to pick the green color, and then I'm going to increase the intensity and the shadow as well. Okay, then we can click on this check mark, and I'm going to zoom out like this, and I'm going to place it right here. Okay, and I'm going to play the video to take a look at the final result guys. Okay, this is the timestamp I have just added to my video. Alright guys, and that's how we can add timestamp to our video in CapCut application. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.